Transferring USDT from one platform to another can seem like a complex process, but it is actually quite straightforward. To begin, you need to understand what USDT is. USDT, or Tether, is a type of cryptocurrency known as a stablecoin, which is pegged to the value of the US dollar. The first step in transferring USDT is to ensure you have a digital wallet that supports USDT. This can be a software wallet on your computer or a mobile wallet on your phone. You will also need to have an account on the platform you are transferring from and the platform you are transferring to. Next, you need to navigate to the withdrawal section of the platform you are transferring from. Here, you will select USDT as the currency you want to withdraw and enter the wallet address of the platform you are transferring to. It is crucial to double-check the wallet address to avoid sending your USDT to the wrong address. After entering the wallet address, you will need to specify the amount of USDT you want to transfer. Be aware that each platform has its own minimum and maximum withdrawal limits, so make sure you are within these limits. Once you have entered the wallet address and the amount, you will need to confirm the transaction. This may involve entering a verification code sent to your email or phone, or completing a two-factor authentication process. After confirming the transaction, the USDT will be sent to the platform you are transferring to. The time it takes for the USDT to arrive will depend on the blockchain network congestion, but it is usually completed within a few minutes. It is also important to note that transferring USDT may incur a small fee, which is paid to the blockchain network to process the transaction. This fee is usually minimal, but it is something to be aware of. To avoid any issues when transferring USDT, make sure you are using a reputable platform and that you are following the platform's instructions carefully. It is also a good idea to transfer a small amount of USDT first to test the process and ensure everything is working correctly. In conclusion, transferring USDT from one platform to another is a relatively simple process that requires some basic knowledge of cryptocurrency and digital wallets. By following the steps outlined in this guide, you can safely and securely transfer your USDT between platforms. Always remember to double-check the wallet address and to follow the platform's instructions carefully to avoid any issues.